Good day everyone, I'm Angela, the CEO of Gellas Food Plantain Chips. My job here is to take you on a journey how the plantain chips is being produced and the plantain flour. So whatever we do here, we do everything natural. We don't add anything, we don't spice up anything. I'll be taking you on a journey this period on how our plantain chips is being produced. I'll be talking about them one by one. Even if you want to learn about plantain chips, how the plantain chips is being produced. On a daily basis, we'll be talking more about the product. So if you have any question or you are confused, you want to start but you don't know how to go about it, just write us, we'll reply back to you. Follow us on our TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, everything Gellas Food. And my products are very affordable. Even now, plantain scarcity, we have a lot. Just place your order. Don't forget, I'm still your one and only Angela, the plantain girl. Bye.